Ever felt like you've lost everything? Like no matter how hard you try, the weight of your past mistakes keeps pulling you down? What if I told you failure isn't the end, but the beginning of something even greater? Just a few years ago, Adam lived a dream most people only fantasize about. He was a successful entrepreneur and the owner of a booming business. Money flowed easily, and every door seemed to open with just a wave of his hand. He had the house, the car, the prestige. He felt invincible. But there's something about success that can cloud your judgment. For Adam, it was overconfidence. He thought he was untouchable. So, when the opportunity for a big investment came along, something with high risks but huge rewards, Adam dove in without hesitation. That's when the market crashed. In a single day, everything Adam had built began to unravel. Investments he thought were foolproof suddenly turned toxic. His business, once thriving, began to crumble. The phone rang constantly, creditors demanding payments, investors pulling out, clients canceling contracts. Adam's mistakes were costly, and there was no backup plan. What had seemed like a brilliant strategy turned into a disastrous gamble. The debts piled up faster than he could pay them off. The luxury car that had once turned heads was repossessed, and soon after, his mansion was taken away by the bank. As his wealth vanished, so did his so-called friends. The people who had smiled with him in the good times were nowhere to be found. They had all disappeared the moment the money was gone. Adam found himself in a small rented room, a far cry from the life he had known. A bed, a single chair, and nothing else. The once vibrant entrepreneur now ate instant noodles for dinner and stared at a blank wall, wondering how everything had fallen apart so quickly. For months, Adam was consumed by his failures. Every day felt like a battle with himself. He questioned every decision he had ever made. He questioned his worth. And in the silence of his room, he found only loneliness and despair. One night, feeling more lost than ever, Adam wandered through the streets, his mind a whirlwind of doubt. That's when he stumbled upon a small cafe. It was quiet and humble, nothing like the fancy places he used to frequent. But something about it drew him in. An old man, well past his prime, was cleaning the tables outside the cafe. Adam paused, intrigued. The man noticed him and with a kind smile beckoned him inside. "You look like a man who's lost everything," he said. "But if you've built something once, you can build it again. You just need to start over, and this time do it wiser." Adam listened closely. It had been months since anyone had shown him any kindness, much less believed in him. This stranger's words hit him harder than he expected. Maybe it wasn't too late to start again. That night, something inside Adam shifted. He realized he had a choice: continue to drown in his failures, or rise above them and rebuild. So he chose to rebuild. He didn't rush into another high-stakes investment. Instead, he took small jobs, saved every penny, and focused on learning. Adam started reading about the journeys of other successful people, not just their successes, but their failures. He learned that failure wasn't something to fear. It was something to learn from. Every mistake was a lesson, every setback a stepping stone. Over time, Adam slowly began to rebuild. His new business wasn't grand or flashy, but it was built on a solid foundation. He took calculated risks, avoided the mistakes of the past, and focused on steady, sustainable growth. Adam kept working. He attended workshops, networked with like-minded people, and slowly but surely, his business began to grow. Years passed, and Adam's new business grew stronger. It wasn't the luxury life he had once lived, but it was a life built on wisdom, resilience, and hard work. He had found peace in his journey. He'd learned to appreciate the simple things, the things that truly matter. And one day, sitting back in the cafe where it all began, Adam saw a young man walk in. His face mirrored Adam's from years ago, lost, confused, and seemingly defeated. The young man sat at a table, staring into space. Adam couldn't help but lean forward. "I've been where you are," he said. "I've seen the lowest of lows. But let me tell you something. Failure isn't the end. It's the start of your comeback. If you've ever failed, remember, your second chance starts now." Adam's story is a reminder that no matter how far you fall, you have the power to rise again. Your failures don't define you, they teach you. They make you stronger, smarter, and more prepared for the journey ahead. If you found this story inspiring, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Remember, no matter where you are in life, Your second chance is always within reach. Don't let fear hold you back. Start today. Your story isn't over. It's just getting started.